Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, you're going to be upgrading this Land Rover Defender 110 P400 with a QuickSilver Sound Architect exhaust system. So this particular car with the Sound Architect exhaust, we're going to be replacing essentially half of the exhaust system. We're going to be bringing the hidden tone and volume alive on this particular car. With the Sound Architect system as well, you get a nice valve controller, so you'll be able to control that on an app on your phone, which we'll show you a little bit later on. So you can control whether it's loud or whether it's quiet. And then also from the factory on this car, it doesn't have a very particularly interesting exhaust tailpipe design. So with the Sound Architect exhaust from QuickSilver, we're going to be installing some carbon fiber tips on the back box, and that will be able to be seen at the rear end of the car as well. So this is what the car sounds like now. And then at the end of the video, you'll be able to see what it sounds like once we've got the exhaust fitted. So let's go in the workshop and get it all fitted. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.